Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Cybex Libelle is probably one of the most revolutionary compact strollers available, ingeniously engineered for the modern, on-the-go parent who demands unparalleled portability and effortless maneuverability, transforming the challenges of urban exploration, air travel, and daily errands into seamless, enjoyable experiences, all while ensuring your little one remains comfortable and secure in a surprisingly robust package. Number 5. Portable Stroller Fan Clip-On. We've enhanced its safety with a narrow 5mm grid gap. This design specifically protects tiny fingers from entering, ensuring your baby enjoys a pleasant summer walk. Its upgraded flexible tripod, made from silicone-wrapped aluminum, can bend to any angle. It's easy to clean and stays securely in place on strollers, providing powerful yet quiet cooling. This fan features a 360 degrees rotating head, allowing you to direct airflow precisely where needed. With 3 adjustable speeds, it caters to different temperatures and prevents constant blowing on one spot, keeping your baby more comfortable. It comes with a safe 2,600 mAh rechargeable battery, offering 4.5 to 11 hours of use. You can also conveniently charge it via USB from various sources like laptops, power banks, or car chargers. This essential clip-on fan easily attaches to most strollers and car seats, especially rear-facing ones, making car trips cooler. It's also ideal for cribs, baby rooms, outdoor walks, and even as a desk or handheld fan. What we like? This fan features an upgraded safety grid, ensuring tiny fingers stay protected. Its flexible tripod and 360-degree rotation make it incredibly versatile for any angle or location. If you prioritize your baby's safety and need a fan that adapts to various situations, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source content. Therefore, no points could be extracted. Number 4. HAUCK Lightweight Compact Travel Stroller Sport. Introducing the perfect companion for your family adventures. This stroller is designed to make every journey smoother and more enjoyable. You'll love how easy it is to carry and maneuver. Its lightweight design ensures you can navigate busy streets or airports without a struggle. When not in use, it folds down quickly and compactly. This makes storage and transport incredibly convenient, fitting into small spaces. Designed for both babies and toddlers, it provides a comfortable and secure ride. Your child will enjoy every outing in this cozy seat. Whether it's a quick trip to the store or a family vacation, it's built for travel. It simplifies your life on the go, making every adventure stress-free. Beyond its practical features, it boasts a modern charcoal and stone finish. This ensures it looks great while standing up to daily wear and tear. What we like? This stroller is designed for ultimate portability, making travel a breeze. Its lightweight frame and compact fold ensure easy transport and storage. If you're a parent who frequently travels or needs a simple, no-fuss stroller for quick outings, this model is ideal. What people say. Number 3. GB Pockit Plus All-Terrain. Meet your new favorite travel stroller. It's designed for families on the go, making every journey smoother and more enjoyable. Experience unparalleled convenience with its ultra-compact fold. This allows you to easily store it in overhead compartments or small spaces. Incredibly lightweight, it's a breeze to carry and maneuver. You'll appreciate its agility whether navigating busy streets or airport terminals. Your little one will stay comfortable and protected under its integrated canopy. Plus, the reclining seat ensures they can rest peacefully on the move. Don't let rough paths stop you. This all-terrain stroller handles various surfaces with ease. It's built to explore with you, wherever your adventures take you. What we like? This stroller boasts an ultra-compact fold, perfect for tight spaces and overhead bins. Equipped with all-terrain wheels, it handles various surfaces with ease. If you're an adventurer who needs a tiny, yet robust stroller for diverse environments, this one is built for you. What people say. Number 2. Evenflo Gold Otto Self-Folding Travel Stroller. Introducing the ultimate travel companion for parents on the go. This innovative stroller makes every outing a breeze, combining convenience with style. Experience unparalleled ease with its unique self-folding design. You can collapse it effortlessly with just one hand, perfect for busy parents. Designed for portability, it's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry and maneuver. You'll appreciate its compact size for storage and transport. Seamlessly transition from car to stroller with its integrated car seat compatibility. It securely fits your baby's car seat, ensuring safety and convenience. This stroller is engineered to simplify your family adventures. Enjoy stress-free journeys with a product that truly understands your needs. What we like. Experience unparalleled convenience with its innovative self-folding mechanism. It seamlessly integrates with compatible car seats, creating a complete travel system. If you value effortless operation and a versatile system that grows with your child, this stroller offers remarkable ease of use. What people say. Number 1. Cybex Libelle 2 Travel Baby Stroller. Introducing the ultimate travel companion for parents on the go. This stroller is designed to make your journeys effortless and stress-free. It folds down incredibly small, meeting most carry-on requirements. You can easily bring it on board, making air travel a breeze. Adjusting your child's position is simple with its one-hand recline feature. This allows for quick changes to keep them comfortable, whether they're napping or observing. This stroller is also compatible with Cybex car seats, offering a seamless transition from car to stroll. It provides a complete travel system for your little one. Finished in magic black, it combines style with functionality. Its thoughtful design ensures both parent and child enjoy every outing. What we like. This stroller is designed to be carry-on compliant, making air travel stress-free. Its one-hand recline feature allows for quick adjustments, even when holding your baby. If you're a frequent flyer or need a highly portable stroller with convenient features for on-the-go parents, this is your perfect travel companion. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.